一節最新嘅風暴消息，8號東北烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹東北風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺凌晨1點，颱風韋柏集結喺香港之東南偏東約250公里，即在北緯21.4度、東經116.4度附近。預料向西或西北偏西移動，時速約25公里，橫過南海北部，移近廣東沿岸。颱風韋柏穩定地靠近廣東沿岸，佢嘅外圍雨帶正影響珠江口一帶。本港風勢將會增強，漸轉有頻密狂風大驟雨及雷暴。8號熱帶氣旋警告信號會喺今日日間大部分時間維持。按照現時預測路徑，韋柏會喺今早頗為接近珠江口一帶，喺香港天文台以南約50公里左右掠過。預料本港風勢將達到烈風至到暴風程度。天文台會視乎韋柏與本港嘅距離同本地風力變化，評估是否需要喺今早改發更高熱帶氣旋警告信號。市民請密切留意天文台嘅最新天氣消息，並盡快完成所有預防措施。隨住韋柏靠近，預料本港今日日間天氣持續惡劣，有狂風大驟雨，可有巨浪以及湧浪。市民應該遠離岸邊，以及停止水上活動。受風暴潮影響，部分沿岸低洼地區今早可能出現水浸。
The number 8 northeast gale or storm signal is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the northeast quarter. At 1 a.m., Typhoon Whipper was centered about 250 km east-southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 21.4 degrees north, 116.4 degrees east, and is forecast to move west or west-northwest at about 25 km per hour. Across the northern part of the South China Sea, edging closer to the coast of Guangdong. Typhoon Whipper is edging steadily closer to the coast of Guangdong. Its outer rain band is affecting the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. Local winds will strengthen, and there will be frequent heavy squally showers and thunderstorms. The gale or storm signal, number 8, is expected to remain in force for most of the day today. According to the present forecast track, Whipper will be rather close to the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary this morning. It will skirt at about 50 kilometers south of the Hong Kong Observatory. Local winds will strengthen to gale to storm force, depending on the distance between Whipper and Hong Kong. Along with the change in local wind condition, the observatory will assess the need for issuing higher tropical cyclone warning signals this morning. Members of the public, please pay close attention to the latest weather information from the observatory and complete all precautionary measures as soon as possible. As Whipper edges closer, adverse weather will persist during the day today. There will be heavy squally showers. Seas will be high with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. Under the influence of storm surge, flooding may occur in parts of the low-lying coastal areas this morning.